Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a remote job opportunity where you're not required to have a lot of experience or qualification. The company's name is Coalition Technologies. It is based in Los Angeles and this is a digital marketing company that offers remote job opportunities. So no matter what is your current location, you will be eligible to apply for the job because the company offers remote job opportunities to people around the world. The pay range is also very good. The estimated pay range is around $15 to $25 per hour. However, it varies depending on your geographic location, qualification, and performance, etc. Now let's check out about the job details. This is about office assistant role. This is a 100% remote opportunity. You will be getting paid time off, and for people who are based in US, they will be having benefits of medical, dental, and medical, dental, vision, and life insurance. The company also offers international health insurance reimbursement program for all international team members. So all the team members will be eligible to get international health insurance reimbursement program from the company. And they also have device upgrade and learning and reimbursement programs, and then motivating career development plans and additional job-specific incentives and bonuses. So these are some of the benefits that the company offers apart from work from home or remote job opportunity. Now let's check out about the qualification and skills that the company has asked for office assistant role. So as I said that they are not asked for much of the experience. If you're a fresher, you can still apply for the job. Now here they have asked for the person should be willing to learn, grow and collaborate with the team and company as a whole. You should have excellent verbal and written communication skills, a high level of discretion, ethics, and trustworthiness. Intermediate spreadsheet skills is preferred. Innovative thinking and a willingness to challenge existing methods where improvement is possible. Experience in bookkeeping or financial record keeping will be preferred. However, it is not mandatory. Experience with Google Sheets or Excel, QuickBooks Online, and G Suite will be preferred. Again, it is not mandatory. And the availability to work 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST time. A reliable space to work remotely with a fast computer, quality internet, camera, microphone, and speakers. So that's it about the skills. Here are the roles and responsibilities that one can expect while working as an office assistant at Coalition Technologies. So here, as an office assistant, you will be answering phones and emails, completing entry bookkeeping, including recording expenses, organizing receipts, and completing other transaction records. You need to resolve billing issues with clients and internal team members. You need to provide account access, usage reports, data analysis, and other ad hoc requests from team members. You need to support quality assurance checks of various internal and client-facing reporting. You need to organize new client contracts, create invoices, and process client payments. You need to contribute. You need to contribute to internal database maintenance, upkeep, and data entry, and you need to research, order, and distribute company-wide gifts 2 to 3 times per year, then organize company events, competitions, and special projects throughout the year. Facilitate, you need to facilitate company holiday time off and schedule variation calendars. So these are the roles and responsibilities that one can expect while working as an office assistant with Coalition Technologies. These are all admin or office assistant kind of work. So these are simple work that you can do from home, and this is a great opportunity for people who don't have a lot of experience but they're looking to work with international companies and earn in dollars. Here they have mentioned that this is a position with a high opportunity for right candidate to grow. A successful office assistant have seen fast growth and promotion both within the accounting team and to other teams. Here they have mentioned that they are looking for talented and diligent candidates who excel in their skill tests, and they are ready to consider candidates even if past experience or educational background criteria are not met. So it is very clear that they are not looking for a lot of they are not looking for experienced candidates. What they are looking for is the person with the right skill set or who is ready to learn and who can and work For people who are from California, New York, Washington, and Colorado, the starting base pay for this position range between 15 to $25 per hour. However, compensation may vary based on factors such as experience, qualifications, as I said, and based on your geographic location and your qualifications, experience, etc. Your compensation rate may vary. And outside of California, New York, and Washington and Colorado, compensation may fall outside the above ranges. So it depends where do you reside and what is your skill set and what are the experience that you have. Now, if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and check out all the details. And here's the application form that you can fill up. Now, here they ask for a skill test and including a video as a part of their hiring process. So here to fill up the application form, this is a simple application form that you can fill up by providing your name, email ID, phone number, and then preferred contact method. How did you find us? Then upload your resume, cover letter, and then apply for the job. Once you apply for the job, you will be getting emails from them. If they select your profile, you will be getting emails from them for the skill test and to create a video. And so yeah, go ahead and if you think that you could be a good fit, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.